So here's what's going on. I gotta get this C8500 hooked up to this pintle hitch trailer. Pintle hitch, right there, you see it. What I'm gonna do in this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and hook this trailer up, show you how I do it. I always struggle with backing up to this thing. It seems like I'm always in the truck and out of the truck, and in the truck and out of the truck, forward and backwards, trying to get it lined up. And it's just a pain in the butt. I'm not very effective at it. So I'm going to show you the way I do it, and I'm hoping that somebody out there has some constructive criticism on the way that they do it. So hopefully I can learn a better technique of how to get this thing hooked up a little quicker, a little bit more effective. So that's the purpose of this video, hoping somebody has some tips and tricks for me. And yes, I know, one tip and trick would be to have a passenger side mirror. See that? It's gone. Yep, I broke it yesterday. Snapped the thing right off. If you want to see the video on how that happened, you'll have to check it out on Dirt Perfect's page. I'll check with him, make sure it's okay. But I'll try to put the link to his video in the description. That's where all the goodness for that's located at. So we'll get this trailer hooked up and we'll go from there. Okay, so obviously step one is to place oversized googly eyes on the back of your dump truck so that you have a backup buddy to help you back up as straight as possible. Step two is going to be to back up nice and easy until you make contact with the pintle hitch, and you should be able to feel it. Just kidding, coming in hot. Oh, boom! And I'm gonna pull up just a little bit to take some pressure off, like so. So we use ratcheting binders, which we really like. The one thing you gotta watch out for, it's best if you just run that ratcheting binder all the way out so that you don't run out of binder whenever you're tightening it down. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just running it out. So I got it to full length. I just hooked it to the spreading chain on the truck box, and then I will hook the other end to the safety chain on the pintle hitch trailer, and I just pull it whichever way I need it to go. In this case, I need it to go to the driver's side. So there you can see he's sliding over. The one thing with this technique, I found that if you go too far, if you perfectly center it up, when you go to lower the landing gear, the chain's going to keep pulling it because of the angle it's at, and you're going to end up overshooting it. So you can see there how much that trailer kept going once I started lowering the landing gear. And just loosen it the rest of the way. Take it off there and finish hooking up the trailer. Okay, the only thing left now is just all the boring stuff. The safety chains, the breakaway cable for the trailer brakes, and of course the trailer lights. So that's how I do it. It doesn't take me too long, but I'm sure there's some different techniques out there, and I'd love to try them. So if anybody has different techniques on how you guys back up and hook up to pintle hitch trailers, let me know. I'd love to hear about it. If you like what you saw, or even if you didn't like what you saw, it doesn't matter to me. Please hit that subscribe button, leave me some comments, and we'll catch you on the next one.